Hello Junior 5. Now it's time for page 11 in the booklet. It's comparing fractions, okay? But before comparing fractions, I should remember the relation between the fractions first. Okay, if I have the same denominator, the number down is the same, like 3 over 9, 5 over 9, 7 over 9, 2 over 9, all those. If I have the number down, it's the same, the denominator, it's the same number. This is kind fraction. Okay, if I have the number up, it's the same, like 11 over 2, 11 over 6, 11 over 8, 11 over 10. If I have the numerator up, it's the same number. This is crazy. The kind, I deal with it as a normal number. Like here, 3 over 9 and 5 over 9. I don't look down, I look just up. 3 and 5, which is bigger? The 5. So the 5 is bigger. Here, 5 and 7. Which is bigger? 7. Here, 7 and 2. Which is bigger? The 7. So as long as I have the denominator down, it's the same number, I just compare the numbers up, very normal, okay? In the crazy fraction, it's crazy. The small number is the bigger and the bigger number is the smaller. Like what? 11 over 2 and 11 over 6. Here I'm comparing. This is the small number, so it's the bigger. Because it's crazy. Here, 11 over 6 and 11 over 8. 6 is smaller than 8, so it's the big. 11 over 8 and 11 over 10. 8 is smaller than 10, so it's the bigger. So in the crazy fraction, if I have the numerator up, it's the same, it's crazy. I compare, I look at the numbers down and compare in a crazy way, okay? The smaller number is the bigger, okay? Okay, there are some rules I need you to know. 1, I have first 3 over 5. This is proper fraction. Okay? 8 over 6. This is improper fraction. Okay? And if I have 4 and 3 over 7, this is called mixed number. Okay? You already know this from Junior 4. Okay. 1 is bigger than any proper fraction. 1 is bigger than 3 over 5. 1 is bigger than 2 over 4. 1 is bigger than 6 over 9. 1 is bigger than any proper fraction. What's the meaning of proper fraction? That the numerator is smaller than the denominator. This is called proper fraction. 1 is bigger than any proper fraction. And also 1 is smaller than any improper or mixed number. Like what? 1 is smaller than 6 over 8. What is improper fraction? If the number up, the numerator, is bigger than the denominator. 1 is smaller than 8 over 6. 1 is smaller than 13 over 5. 1, of course, it's smaller than 7 and 3 over 9. So 1 is bigger than any proper fraction. 1 is smaller than any improper fraction and mixed number. Okay, let's compare. Okay. Here, 5 over 8 and 7 over 8. I have 8 down. It's kind, so I will compare normally. 5 over 7, it's 7. Okay, here, 2 over 9 and 5 over 9. I have the numbers down. It's the same, so it's kind. I will compare normally. 5 is bigger than 2. Okay. Here, 6 over 7 and 1. You have two options. either you know that 1 is bigger than any proper fraction, so you immediately 1 is bigger, or you have to change this one into 7 over 7. 1 is equal to 7 over 7. We said before that 1 is equal to any number over itself. So 7 equal to 1 equal 7 over 7. So I have down that same denominator, so I will compare. Normally 6 or 7, it's 7. Okay, let's look here. 0.5 and 3 over 4. 0.5, when I change it to fraction, it will be 5 over 10. Okay, in this case I don't have the same numerator or the same denominator. What should I do? You have two options. Either to change one of the denominators to make it the other way. Yani 4, can I make the 4 10? No, I can't. So in this case, I make it crisscross. I go from down till up. 10 times 3, 30. 4 times 5, 20. 30 or 20, it's 30, of course. Okay, let's try it here. 6 over 10 and 3 over 5. No same denominator, no same numerator. I don't have any numbers in common like each other. So I have two options. Either to change this 10 to be 5, or change the 5 to be 10, or make it as a crisscross. Okay? Times 2 times 2 equal 6 over 10. 6 over 10 and 6 over 10, it's equal. Okay, here 30 over 36 and 3 over 6. I don't have anything in common. Here I changed the 5 to be 10. Here I can change the 36 to be 6. It's okay. You can change the 6 to be 36, or you can change the 36 to be 6. This is by times and this is by divided. So in this case I can make it divided. The 36 to be 6, I have to make it divided 6, but you have to make sure that the number up is divisible by 6 also. Okay, so here divided 6, divided 6. So it will be 5 over 6. I have 3 over 6 and 5 over 6. This is kind relation, so I will compare. Normally 3 and 5, 5 is bigger. Okay, let's look here. 5 and 3 over 4. And on the other side, I have 3 over 6. 3 over 6 doesn't have a whole number. It's like I'm having 0 here. So I don't have to look at the fractions. I will look at the whole numbers. I have 0 and I have 5. Which is bigger? Of course, it's 5. Okay? Let's do number 2. Here, 5 over 6 and 5 over 11. I have the new numerator, it's the same. So this is crazy. Crazy, it means that the smaller number, it's the bigger one. So 5 over 6 and 5 over 11, this is crazy, so I will choose 5 over 6. Here, 3 over 7 and 7 over 8. I don't have any numerator like each other. I don't have denominators like each other. The 7 can be 8, the 8 can be 7, the 3 can be 7, the 7 can be 3. I have no choice for this غير الcrisscross from up to down. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 3, 24. 49 or 24, of course it's 49. When you're out of solutions, you can't change anything in the fraction. Do it a crisscross from down to up, from down to up. Okay? Here, 9 over 25, 9 over 13. I have numerators the same, so it's crazy. The small number is the bigger because it's crazy. 4 over 100, 4 over 1000. I have numerators like each other, so it's crazy. 100 and 1000, the small number is the bigger, so it's 4 over 100.